All right, let's dive into this thing here. Get it opened up for you guys. All right, so this is what we're dealing with. I gotta install a water bottle, overflow tank, find the hardware for it, if I could find it. Next, hardware. Okay, so we found some bolts. Yeah. Okay. U-joint straps, seat bolts, nuts, and the drive shaft. I think I'll get the drive shafts done first, actually. Get that all so I can take the chains off in case you need to jack it up or something. Anyway, hold on. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no. I thought I got lucky and the harness was connected underneath. Oh. Is that the drive shaft? Oh, right on. Okay, hold on. Alright, so front U-joint is in, front drive shaft is in. New parts tally, neutral safety switch slash shifter thingy mabobber. Ball joints upper and lower. Shocks are probably 2 years old, but they're newer. New U-joint came with it. Yeah, there's a few new parts in here. At least $400 in parts, brand new ones. So let me get that drive shaft tightened up, and I'll be right back. Oh yeah, can't forget the brand spanking new wheel bearings and ABS sensors. They come with the wheel bearings, but there's your $400 right there just in wheel bearings. Sweet. Hold on. All right, front drive shaft is in. I wasn't kidding when I said that I got to really reconnect every single wire in this thing. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh, hold on a second. I gotta find a U-joint cup for the rear shaft, and I believe I have one from when I did both the U-joints in Mom's truck, so I should have one cup laying around here. Hold on. Alright, bearing cup, or U-joint cup, jarred in a popcorn fart. Everything was seized up, so I took a paint can lid there, squirted some brake clean in there. Took it all apart, cleaned everything out, cleaned out the cup, cleaned the bearings, put them all back in, re-greased them. Now I gotta put it back together, stick it on the drive shaft. Hold on. And there you go. Cleaned the finger, stuck all the bearings back in their respective place so that when you slide it on, none fall sideways. Cleaned up the seal, cleaned up the cup. I could probably emery it, but who cares? As long as it survives long enough for the rest of that U-joint to survive, that's all that matters. But it'll probably outlast it. Anyway, let me get this together. Alright, rear drive shaft's in place. Recycled U-joint cup. Everything fit like a dream too. But, as always, something's got to fight back, right? Hold on. Alright, got most of the harness all plugged back in and routed. Computer's hooked up. Somebody busted off the little lock tabs here. Instead of just squeezing them and popping them out. Gotta find the hardware to mount this. But you can see that tab and that tab are broken. So, wrap some zip ties around this thing and zip tie it together, keep them wires in there. And a couple of disconnected cut wires there, need to fix that. And fuse block, I did that, put that back together. Hooked up the main power wire there, coming out the side. Connected the bottom part of it. Yeah, she's getting there. Hold on. Found the battery tray. Might as well install that. Eh? Right. Day 2 or 3 or however long I've been working on this damn thing. Man, I got miles of wiring harness. But good news is most of it's in. Most of it's all connected. Had a few broken wires back there. I had to shrink tube and solder. No big deal. Now I just gotta put the distributor cap back on, hook up the plug wires, coolant hoses, vacuum out the throttle body, and yeah, hold on. Okay, distributor cap and wires are back on. If you do this if you're gonna change your cap, always check your cap. If it's loose, it means your bolts aren't down tight enough, and you use those Torx. So be warned with that, but always check that, because if your cap's loose, you'll have issues. Anyway, to plug in these coolant lines, plug in the air cleaner, breathe it up, and see if the thing will start. Okay, coolant hose is connected. Now we just need to hook up the air breathing system. Vacuumed out the throttle body already, so let's get her together. Throttle body cover, breather tube, a new used air filter. That's right, new used, recycled. Now there you go. Is that not looking like an engine bay again? We got all the good parts back in her. And I even found the battery tied down. Look at that, with the little metal anti-crush thing there. And look, I found my nut. Hold on. Let's throw a battery in here and fire this thing up. Or try firing it up, I don't know. I'll do it real time, don't worry. Alright, battery's in, tied down. Everything is there. Okay. Oh, let's try to suck her out. Oh. We got power. Oh, it's going security light, yes. I heard a fuel pump too. No starter. Okay, hold on. Okay, so we got no crank. Why? I'm gonna check out the fuses here and I'll get right back at you guys. And we'll try again. Okay, got the battery charging up. I changed the starter out. Starter was bunked. So I gotta jumper it. But let's see if we can get her running here. Get her fired up. I had it starting, but it wasn't running. So try this again. No crank. Okay. All right. Look at that, boys and girls. Oh my goodness. Okay, we got a couple check engine lights on, ABS lights, typical bullshit. Good oil pressure, voltage, temperature. Huh, not shabbily. Huh, there you have it. Wiring harness, top to bottom, inside and out. Look at that. Not even a wire hanging under there anywhere. Little exhaust leak, but I know why that is. Somebody broke all the manifold bolts. I hear a vacuum leak. have it. You don't sound too shabbily. Oh, I cleaned the mass airflow sensor too. Now I just got to get some transmission fluid, a neutral safety switch, some coolant. And she's on the road. You know what to do, boys. Like, share, and subscribe, because I'm out.